All right, let's go ahead and connect to Fusion 360. See what happens. Okay, it's connected. It's connected to the active document, which is called Claude AI Connect to Fusion 360 Test. Okay, let's see. Create a 2-inch by 2-inch cube. Alright, let's see what it does. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Not bad. Let's measure it. Yeah, it looks like 2 inches. Okay, let's test out drilling a hole in it. So now drill a 1-inch through hole with a 1-inch drill. Notice I spelt inch wrong. Let's see if it gets it. It probably will. So it should be switching over to manufacturer mode and creating a tool, then drilling through it. Now, how long this is going to take, I don't know. May not be the best way to do things, but it's cool that it could do it. So this is the beginning of the end. Let's see what it says. The whole feature is finicky about the sketch point input. Let me use a different approach. Okay, it's having a little bit of trouble. It's problem solving right now. Let's see what's doing. Oh, that's not it. That's not it. Come on. Okay, so it's trying to actually cut a hole through it. So let's stop it. Okay, it actually already stopped. So let's correct it. So what it needs to do is it needs to switch to manufacturer mode and select a drill operation and drill a 1-inch drill. Let's correct that. Through the part. Keep the stock relative at 0. Alright. See what it does. I didn't correct the cube. But here's what's it doing? Oh, come on, come on. You don't have to edit the post processor. Oh, there it goes, there it goes. It's having a little bit of trouble. Oh, it's in manufacturer mode. Well, guys, I don't think AI is going to be taking your job yet this week.